Hey nerds, welcome to the Nerd Rundown Presents What's That Throwback Sound? Where today I will be relinquishing my hosting duties to good old Meg over here because Meg is so awesome that she created an entire ass game for us to play. So basically, she just said, here's some fun, go have fun for us. I'm Darren Simple. With me today are some of the biggest nerds I know, my co-pilot Eric Hare.
Howdy doody.
What? He said duty.
Duty.
Big Morg 3000.
Hello.
and the new host of the Nerd Rundown Presents, Meg Bradbury.
Hey.
Meg, take away my mic. It's all yours. Take it away.
Oh boy, that's a lot of pressure. All right, so I got this idea for this game from the Woody Show radio show. I'm just going to throw credit out there. And basically, we all love nostalgia, so I kind of wanted to go off of that. This game consists of a number of different clips, anywhere from 2 seconds to about 10 seconds long. Just things probably from most of millennials' childhoods. So commercial clips, video game clips, movie clips, that kind of thing. So toy noises, that kind of thing. Like, so you're going to hear a clip and not that kind of toy.
That's immediately what I thought.
Can't help it.
And basically, you just have to figure out if you know what it is or not. So I guess we have a couple different options. If you want to do the first answer, or everybody write it down, see who gets it right. I'm going to try to multitask and keep score.
I think writing it down and see who's right is a good way of keeping it fair.
Okay.
Now, how do you win? Score the most points. Right?
Most points. Yep.
Okay. Any other questions, fellas?
I'm pretty good. That makes sense to me.
All right, I'm ready. I'm ready to play.
Write them down. Okay.
Finally, a game where I don't have to worry about if I rigged it or not.
All right, so I am sharing my audio.
Okay.
And this first one we'll just do as a kind of practice run.
Okay.
All right, so here's the first sound.
Okay.
Quick one. And I did this with Eric last night, so I'm not sure if he'll remember it or not.
I was going to refrain from chiming in.
Okay.
It's just a practice run, right?
Yep.
Yeah.
All right, you want to hear it again?
Yep. Okay, so now we show our answer.
Oh,
nice. Is that number 2?
That was number 2. My screen reset.
Number 2.
Can you
All right,
can you see my answer?
What's the best? I have
Sonic Ring, Super Mario
Sonic
Coin. So you're close. It was the Game Boy startup sound.
Ooh.
Oh, geez. Yeah.
Okay.
Wow.
Dang.
It's funny how all those noise sound the same.
Yep, that's the Game Boy startup sound.
I know,
right.
We're sure that's not the Super Mario coin noise.
That was my guess last night. So
good.
Like,
Okay.
it's a Super Mario coin sound. She goes,
Well, let me see here.
Okay, I think I'm ready.
I'm ready.
That's the coin.
What
Slightly
number is that
different.
one?
That's just for your information.
Okay. All right.
So, are we ready?
I feel like I should have like a bigger pad and just write it on, but all right. I'll try to make it bigger.
Okay.
Ew.
All right. That's what she said. Okay.
Yeah, it's like, wait, come on now.
Oh, jinx.
Such a softball, that one for y'all. What?
All right. We ready?
What was that?
Yes. I'm ready.
Not sure. Okay.
Oh.
All right. Here we go. Starting off with some easy ones.
Yeah. We should all have this one, right? This one.
Yeah.
Well, I think so. I don't know how specific we got to be.
Yeah.
Good call.
Well, because it could be.
I think
Right.
Meg is the judge on it.
Yeah, I'll be the judge.
Okay.
I'm good at judging.
The judge.
I'm very judgmental. All right.
Judge
what
Meg.
did I get?
Should have lots of practice.
I said
There's the
this-
wife. She's out there judging, always judging.
Super Mario Power Up.
Yep, that's what I had.
Yeah, I had Super Mario growing.
Yeah,
like
the mushroom sound effect. Yeah.
Yeah, mushroom.
growing, huh?
So what was it?
That is also a
Organ's a grower.
not a shower.
No.
That noise is
It is what it is.
also brilliantly used by the Colorado Avalanche when they are on the penalty kill and they kill off a penalty, and the guy in the penalty box comes back onto the ice, and they are at full strength, and they power back up to full strength. They brilliantly use that noise to let the everybody know that the penalty kill is over. I mean, it's brilliant. It's like genius. Whoever came up with that.
So did we all get a
That's
point for that?
Yes, y'all got a point for that.
So it's 2-2-2.
Yes. Well, 1-1-1. Because
Because that first one didn't count.
yeah,
Got
yeah, didn't
Yeah.
count. All right.
Unless you want to make it count.
I
It's honest.
Nice try.
Okay.
All right, we ready?
Ready.
Okay, let's see.
What's this stuff? Some cereal. It's supposed to be good for you. I'm not gonna try it. Let's get Mikey. Yeah. He won't eat it. He hates everything. He likes it. Hey, Mikey.
Oh, this is so annoying. I know it, but I don't.
I know, and this is a big guess. This is number 3.
Yes.
Oh, this is number 3? Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, because the first one was a trial run, but it was still number 1 on the list. So
Yes. Yes.
Yeah, got it. Okay.
that might- okay.
Hold on.
Okay. Do you know this one for sure, Eric?
I believe so, yes.
Because you're our elder on the show.
Yeah, it was out when I was a kid. So, in fact, I think it was out even before I was a kid. So,
All right, we ready?
It might predate you.
yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
I had Life cereal.
Okay.
Oh,
Yep.
dang it. I was thinking, is it Life cereal? Or I thought
It's
it was
Life.
Chex cereal. Oh,
It's Life.
It is.
Yes.
It's like
dang it.
Yes.
It is Life cereal.
Yes.
I had Cheerio. I didn't get to say I had Cheerio. I can't.
Because I was picturing the checks, but I was like, I don't think it's checks.
I was thinking it was Chex cereal,
It's-
but yep, Life cereal. All right. Dang
Freaking
it.
Life
Life
cereal
cereal.
is the shit, dude. I
Yeah.
freaking love Life.
Cinnamon Life. is the-
Mikey, yeah.
Cinnamon Life, yeah.
Mikey felt the same way.
And when it's I knew it was like a real classic brand of cereal. When it said
Yeah.
Mikey, I was like, oh, it's the Mikey commercial. Yeah. Okay. Good one.
All
Good
right.
one. Takes the lead.
All
Nice
right.
job.
Oh, can you play it again?
Yep.
Can we get a-
This is right down Eric's wheelhouse.
Yeah.
Oh, I wonder how.
I'm going back and forth between two answers here.
I know. I think we're going back through. I'm wondering if we're going back through the same. I'm going to go with my second guess, and if it's my gut, I'm going to be so mad.
I'm going with my second guess as well.
Okay.
Wow.
Yeah.
Okay, we ready?
Change this. Hang on. I'm
Whoa.
okay. Yep.
Okay.
Hey, what we got?
I said Windows 95.
Yeah, I got Windows.
I have Mac power up.
You got it,
That's a
Eric.
Mac.
Yep.
Ah,
It is a Mac.
It is a Mac. Yeah.
That's a Mac.
Morgan.
The Windows 95 start is ding 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 ding. Yeah.
Couldn't remember.
I didn't do that very well, but
Like a chimey.
yeah, one of my first shots. It really was bad. One of my first real jobs was as a software tester. I played video games like all day long, basically. But in order to test it, you had to like wipe the hard drive clean and then reinstall Windows, reinstall the drivers, install the game, only the game, and then play it because it had to be pristine. Like it had to be absolutely perfect. There couldn't be anything that could be screwing it up because you didn't want anything like doing it. And so I installed Windows like 5 times a day, every day for like years, you know. And so I literally have the Windows 95 activation code memorized still, and that was like in like 1997, so it was like 20 some years ago. Like I don't remember my kid's birthday, but you know, I got this stupid Windows 95 thing in there.
Oh man, that feels like a movie scene where it's just like, you know, it's like a Groundhog type of situation where it's like you hear that song every morning he wakes up. What's that song in Groundhog? The dun 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 dun.
Oh, it's Sonny and Cher.
Sonny and Cher.
Yeah. And no, actually, what I think about it is I think it's more along the lines of Will Ferrell in what's the one where they're all on the campus and stuff, and he has to take like that test, and like he all of a sudden old school. He gives an answer and he goes, "What happened?"
I blacked out. Old school.
Yeah, that's it. Yeah.
Oh, I love that movie.
Yeah.
Right. Morgan, what was Morgan's? What was your other guess?
I had Dell.
I said Microsoft Power.
Okay.
I thought you guys were wavering on the year, because when I went and I was looking for these sounds, each different, like the PowerBook, the iMac, each one had like a slightly different intonation, you know, different pitch to it. So, but that's obviously not what you were wavering on. So,
Okay, good job, Eric.
Mm-hmm.
Game
so
is
we're Morgan and
tested
Eric
by Eric, and he's winning. Whoa! How is that possible?
Because they both have 2 points.
Wait, Eric's gotten every single one though, haven't you?
No, nobody.
No, I missed the life cereal.
Oh, that's right. Okay,
I missed the life cereal.
And you got the life cereal. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
I thought Eric was winning like big time. Okay, so
no, it's close. It's tight.
Okay.
It's tight.
All right.
Like
tell me there's a chance. Tell me there's a chance.
All right, what's next?
All right. Let's see.
More like 1 in a million. So you're telling me there's a chance.
All right. You ready?
Ready.
Okay. This is really, really specific, and I highly doubt anyone's going to get it. I shouldn't say specific, but it's if you don't know it, you don't know it.
Can you play it again?
Yeah, I can play.
I mean,
there's a lot going on in there.
I've heard that last sound from my daughter's 15,000 cash register toys they've had. Is this something we'll know?
I don't know. I mean, I knew it, but
What?
but I have that weird little bit of trivia knowledge.
I don't know. I can't even put a finger on it. Ooh, what do you got, Eric?
I have
Earthworm Jim.
Earthworm.
I have.
Is it not?
I have Luigi's Mansion.
No. So it's from this game called Solarian 2. And it was a game my dad and I played it a lot when I was a kid. It was, and I think it was a Macintosh based game.
That's your first problem. But, Max make video games?
Well, I actually reached out to the developer of this game a couple of years ago because like something made me think of it, and I Googled it and I found it on YouTube, watching somebody play it. And I reached out to the developers because I wanted to play it again so bad. Like it has some of the funniest sound clips in it. And just hearing it takes me back, you know, to playing that game with my dad as a kid. And he said that he lost, or something happened with the software that he lost it and he would have to rebuild it from scratch. So it probably wasn't going to happen. And my heart was broken, but this game, it's got some of the, like one of the things, when you would win a certain, like one of the hard levels, it would go, praise Jesus.
What? Genius.
And it just was something like every once in a while, my dad and I would throw that out. Just but it's got it like so many.
Give us one more praise Jesus, Meg.
I'm not doing that again.
It was so good.
Yeah, that was like on target.
Yeah. You can rewind the video for that. I'm not gonna do that.
No points awarded.
No points awarded.
No.
Nope.
Points awarded.
Nope.
That was a good one. That was a tough
All right. This one, I'm confident at least one of you will get.
Ooh.
Ooh, which one?
All right. Let me cue it up here. This one. Start it.
Oh,
God. Oh,
man. Play that again.
That's annoying. Because
man.
I know it.
Gosh. I have to like venture a guess here.
I kind of want to give credit, even if you just get the platform, not necessarily
I know. I was going to say
anything more specific.
All right, do we got an answer?
This is
This is
not right. This is not right.
Upset me.
What do you got, Eric?
Well, I should be more specific, maybe, but I'm just going to go with.
Okay.
I'm just going to go with it's an Atari. It's an Atari game, and I don't know what game. But I do know it's an Atari sound. I do.
It is an Atari game.
Yeah.
Oh.
Anybody have any? No.
Okay.
So it's called Combat.
I played Combat. I love that game. It was the tank. That was the tank game. Like you could shoot you basically just drove around and you just shot little things. And they had like little obstacles that you could hide behind and sneak around. And yeah, that was. I love Combat. That was a fun.
I thought it was an arcade game.
Yeah.
What'd you say, Morg?
I said Metroid because I was thinking like Nintendo and
yeah.
Yeah, that was another game. We took a vacation somewhere and it rained the entire time, but they had an old Atari, and this was like early 90s, you know, so I thought it was the coolest thing ever because we didn't have video games at my house. So that was very cool vacation. My dad and I played Atari almost the entire time.
That's awesome.
That's really cool.
I put Galactica. So,
oh man, we had an Atari. And I used to play Donkey Kong. Used to play,
I saw Donkey Kong at first.
Yeah, there was so many fun games. Trying to think, like Defender was one of my favorites.
Aren't they making a Defender show or movie soon based off that game? I think so. Or something. Maybe, that came up recently.
Yeah, Defender was always one of my favorites. Missile Command was another one that I loved. I love Missile Command, although. The best way to play Missile Command was with the ball. You know, the controller was not that great, but the ball was the best for that stuff. So yeah, I love my Atari.
The Power Glove.
All right. Are we ready for the next number 7?
Absolutely. Yeah. Give me some points. Okay. So Eric's got 4?
Yes.
Dashing and daring, courageous and caring, faithful and friendly with stories to share. All through the forest they sing out in chorus, marching along as their song fills the air.
What the
I have no idea.
I'm gonna take one guess. I'm taking one guess. I don't even know if I
for
want
some
you to
reason
play
I
that
thought
again.
this was like a really popular. I don't know. My husband really enjoyed it as a kid. You want it again?
I don't think it's gonna help me.
Yeah, might as well just play one more time.
Yeah.
Say it will if I don't pause it at the right time.
Dashing and daring, courageous and caring, faithful and friendly with stories to share. All through the forest they sing out in chorus, marching along as their song fills the air.
Oh my God. That is definitely, my guess is now, I feel like definitely wrong. Through the forest.
I know.
I mean, I was thinking
I have Care Bears.
Oh,
I have Care Bears.
Yeah.
Close. It's
Yeah,
the Gummy Bears. Adventures
Gummy
of
Bears.
Oh,
yes. Throwback to our Saturday morning cartoon show, because that came up. And I was like, is it the Care Bears? I was trying to remember what it was. It's the Gummy Bears.
The Gummy Bears.
Gummy Bears.
Yeah. Oh,
wow.
nope. No
I had never heard of the
No
Gummy
points.
Bears, and my husband turned it on when we got the Disney Plus to see if my daughter was into it.
It's not a bad one.
But yeah.
It wasn't bad back in the day. It was one of those
It's
80s cartoons that was
Mhm.
great. Then you watch it and you're like, what the? But
It feels like an acid trip.
yeah, it really does. So, all right. I just feel I was the only reason I didn't say it, I felt like that theme song to that show was way better. That shit sucked. So, yeah. All right.
Maybe if you're not analyzing it, it doesn't sound so bad.
Yeah.
All right. This one. Okay.
I know
What
this is
in the
a-
actual F was that? Like I don't even know.
You're gonna
I'm
as soon
going-
as I tell you,
I
you're
think
gonna
I
know.
know. I know it, but I don't know.
I'm going to just, without writing it down, and say, and to tell me if this is the only thing that ran through my head is.
Wait, do we- Do you want to make sure we all have answers ready to go?
I don't even have a guess, so I'm good.
It's definitely not right, but if it's right, ward it to Morgan too. I don't care. It made me immediately think of the possessed toys in Toy Story in that bully's room, his neighbor's room. But
Oh,
is
Sid,
that thing
Sid next door?
Sid's room. Yeah, Sid.
Yeah.
And I was like, that noise is going to be in my nightmares tonight.
I couldn't remember what it is, but I have the ringtone. I remember it was like a frog, and like they had pictures for it.
The crazy frog or whatever.
Yeah, like it was.
Must be a PA thing.
It's a.
I got nothing.
yeah.
It was a Furby.
Oh gosh.
Wow.
You remember those toys from the 90s?
I just got over my Furby nightmares. Hey, bring him back. Oh gosh, Furby. Okay. Please never play that sound again.
Yeah, right.
All right, no problem.
Never had a Furby. That was later than my life.
All right, number 9.
I know what this is, I think.
Can I need to hear that beat again.
Oh, drop it.
Drop it. Hey, DJ.
I'm probably too confident on this one.
I was gonna say you seem
Okay.
really
I probably
confident.
should take a little more time to think about it.
I have absolutely nothing.
I've got Bop
Oh, Bop It!
Yeah.
You got it.
Yeah!
Stop it. Oh, man.
All right.
My man.
Wow.
My man. I couldn't. At the last couple sounds, I was like, "Oh shit, that's fucking bop it."
Yeah.
And that's what I think. If I let it play any longer, it would have said bop it.
Bop.
So,
Yeah, twist it. Yeah, pull it. Bop it. I feel like that came up in Toys That Made Us, or I feel like that came up in something recently. The bop it.
Bop it.
Anyways.
all right.
Nice.
I think this is too easy, but all right.
Okay.
Number 10.
I don't think so, Tim.
This is a very prevalent phrase in the Stemple household.
I don't think so, Tim.
It was so hard to find this by itself.
Can you do it,
Wow,
do it
really?
again one more time?
You guys not know this?
No, I need to hear it again.
Bingo.
I don't think so, Tim.
I mean,
This is gonna piss me off.
Is it Damian Lewis? I can't.
No.
yeah, it's Damian Lewis. Eric.
Hey, can we get it one more time? Just one more.
Yep.
Oh my gosh, that is more than enough.
I don't think so, Tim.
Cut him off.
I don't think so, Tim.
I may have never been more excited in my life to get an answer. Can I go?
Got nothing. Yeah, I got nothing.
That would be Al Borland in Home Improvement on Tool Time.
You got it.
Oh, geez.
Dang it.
Wow.
I don't think so, Tim. Yep. Okay.
Man,
Gee
I'd
whiz.
say that. My dad said that to me growing up. Now I say it to my girls, and Penny's like, "My name's not Tim." It's like,
Hi, Lincoln. That's what. Yeah.
Who are you talking to?
My name's not Tim, Daddy. I'm like,
Dad's got this. Dad's got this imaginary kid.
Kid's losing his mind.
oh yeah, good, big Stemple, big line in the Stemple household.
That was a good one.
Mm-hmm, mm-hmm.
All right. Now this one, I debated on playing this, but it's so funny that I'm going to. So cue it up here. Stop. Okay. This is like a 3-minute clip, so I have to get it queued up to the right spot.
Oh, we have to listen for 3 minutes.
I'm confident all
My
three
attention span is a third of that.
No, yeah, so is mine. It's not going to be that long. All right, so I'm confident all three of you will get this, so we'll see. All right.
Okay.
Witness.
You slammed her, you dumped her donut, you gave her dog a sausage, you stuffed her like a Thanksgiving turkey.
Man. How have we never talked about this movie? Like I've gotten more into, about this movie.
We should do a whole show on him. We should just do a whole show on him.
How specific do we need to be though?
I mean,
movie, right?
Movie title, yeah.
Yeah, just a movie.
All right.
Oh, it's Liar Liar.
Oh, it's Liar
It's
Liar.
Liar, Liar.
Yeah,
It's Liar Liar.
Oh, man.
Nice.
Oh, dang it.
That's right.
Oh my gosh.
If I was a boxer, I would bounce those things.
So mad at myself.
Is wrestling real? On Channel 32, no. In the Olympics, yes.
The claw.
Yeah. Oh my gosh, Carrie Ellis.
You
is
so
great
scared of the
Ellis is so great about it.
I love that part.
Watch out. The claw's gonna get you.
Oh, you're so afraid of the claw.
Gary, enjoy my wife.
Yeah. That's a good movie.
I am so mad. All right.
All right. Well,
That's when he drinks the water and he like fluffs it out of his mouth.
You should be able to redeem yourself on the next one.
Okay.
All right.
Like he only?
Well, no, but
The X-Men animated series theme song?
it's not. All right, here we go.
Play that again. Oh,
Yeah. You know
okay. Yeah.
ASL.
Oh.
God, I haven't heard that phrase in a long time.
We ready?
Yeah.
We ready?
Aim.
Yep. You got it.
Yeah.
AOL Instant Messenger.
Yeah.
That's the one. I also debated playing when the door shut.
Yeah.
Man. Yeah. Let's just leave. I was just talking to her. She didn't even say goodbye to me. Man, that was a Army staple. AIM. Holy cow.
Like, I kind of wish I could go back and figure out the exact day I stopped using it, because there was one day that I was using it, and then there was one day that I never
One
used
day
it.
you just
You
weren't.
never-
Yeah.
It just weren't. Yeah, it's not like you deleted your profile or anything either, you know?
It's like playing with your friends, like when you were a little kid. Like one day you'll just never play with them again. And you won't know what that is. Like, you know, like you look back on your life and you think, I can't remember the last, like I used to play with that guy all the time, and then I just never did after.
It make me sad here.
I know.
Sorry.
Debbie Downer.
All right.
I remember
the
they had
exact
this
reason why I stopped playing with a few of my friends.
I had I remember I was so excited when we had this. There was this application called Trillion that was so cool because it was AOL Instant Messenger and then like a bunch of other messenger tools all in one. And it's like I'd log into just my Trillion and it would log me into like all my other chats. So I would be able to follow and, you know, yeah, it was pretty cool. So, but that's old. It's not around anymore.
I wonder if part of the reason why AIM went away is because MySpace became a thing. Maybe we transferred our conversations over to MySpace. And then from MySpace, you went to Facebook, and Facebook to Twitter and Instagram and TikTok, and like and subscribe if you're on the Nerd Rundown. So
I think it was more a transition to iPhone and to like quick text messaging, like not like the whatever it was called, the 1, 2, 3,
6 3 times to get to O, and I'm like, am I gonna also summon the devil? You know, like,
but I think
what was that? There was a certain that texting was. There was a certain. It was called a certain kind of texting though. Using that phone, I can't remember.
Yeah, I can't remember what it was called, but that's when I stopped. It was when, you know, quick text messaging through a phone happened. So
the text messaging,
the text messaging.
Chris Prime.
Yeah, that's a good idea. Chris Prime.
All right, next one.
Number 13.
Lucky 13.
Kiss a little longer, laugh a little longer, stay close a little longer.
That's as much as we get.
I know it.
Because if I play it anymore, it's going to say what it is.
Can you do it one more time?
Yep.
I love this game. I just want you to know, like I am absolutely loving this game.
You are.
Can we get to like some 90s and stuff?
Yeah. Kiss a little longer, laugh a little longer, stay close a little longer.
I think I know.
I mean, this says it was from 85, but I distinctly remember this in the 90s.
All right.
Is this?
Oh, they got a ton of mileage out of that commercial.
Mm-hmm.
They got a ton of mileage out of it.
Spearmint.
Not spearmint.
It's
not
big red.
Mentos.
It's big red.
It's big red.
Although I did originally have Juicy Fruit down. I will tell you that.
I was thinking Juicy Fruit and Spearmint actually both.
Longer with Big Red.
Yep.
Oh man.
Wow.
I was
so
like,
afraid my
she
pause
cut
button
off-
was going to disappear.
You gotta constantly move the mouse. I was like, oh, she cut off at double your pleasure, double your fun.
The Juicy Fruit one had Juicy Fruit in it the entire commercial, so like I couldn't
remember what the juice. Then I couldn't remember what the Juicy Fruit one was. So I was like, nah, that didn't sound like it. So I was like, oh, she cut it off at the fresh maker. You know, they, like the cheesiest, like they turn around, they put the Mentos, you know,
So stupid.
the fresh maker.
The fresh maker.
Yeah. All right.
All right.
Eric wins again.
All right. Number 14.
I like that we all have 3.
It doesn't matter what comes.
Oh, no way. That's all we get?
Yeah, that's all you need.
No way.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure I know this.
Can you do it again for me?
Yep.
It doesn't matter what comes.
I can't. It doesn't matter what comes.
You guys are killing me right now.
No way.
Yeah. You're
I'm
gonna
pretty sure I have it.
you're gonna be very upset when you know what it is.
Okay.
I know I'm second guessing myself, but all right,
Yeah,
we ready?
I got nothing.
Uh-uh.
I don't have a guess on this one.
What do you got
What?
now?
I'm gonna go with Mentos again.
Yeah, it's Mentos. Yeah, it's Mentos.
Yes.
Mentos fresh and
That's good.
full of
Yeah.
And this particular commercial is the one where he sits on the bench that got painted and then
That's the paint.
Yeah.
That's a classic.
so he rolls all over the bench.
Yes, man, that came in at the last second. I was like, oh, I don't need to write it down. Actually, it's already it's already been written.
Already done.
All right.
All right. I think all 3 of you should get this. Okay.
Oh.
All right. Here we go.
Who died? Come on. Who died?
I think
shoot.
Okay. I think I got it.
yeah.
Okay,
So ready?
I'm ready.
Go. I have Pac-Man dying.
Pac-Man.
Oh, it is
Oh, it's
Pac-Man.
Pac-Man. Ah,
It is
I had-
Pac-Man.
I had-
What do you have, Eric?
That sucks. I literally have a Pac-Man freaking game thing in there. Like, how do I not?
Wait,
I had Qbert. I thought it was Qbert dying. I thought it was the Qbert dying sound, and I think they're very similar. So, but
I had Galactica when the ship like is spinning down.
Oh yeah.
You know, Galacta's got to be on this or somewhere, right? Or is that the name of the game, or is it
Galaga?
Galaga. So I've been wrong no matter what. Okay.
All right. What's our time at right now?
We got about 10 minutes because
Okay.
we started a little late on the time.
If you're good with that.
All right. I'm good with that. Okay. This one is obnoxious, but we're going to do it. Okay. Number 16. Oh, man.
Is that it?
That's it. And
That
I'm
is all we
realizing
get.
it sounds a lot like
A lot of
someone.
things.
Yeah.
Can you do it?
One more time.
Ah.
Oh my god!
I think I got this one. I think I've got this one.
I might. I don't know. I got something. We'll see.
Oh gosh, this is a freaking
I like it, Meg. I like
Hail
it.
Mary.
Nice glass of wine.
Yeah, she's a host.
Get some wine over
Oh,
there.
just a bit of trivia for me. I celebrated 20 years sober on Valentine's Day.
Ah,
So-
congratulations.
Congratulations.
20 years. Yeah.
Great job.
Wow,
Great job.
that's awesome.
I'll drink to that. So
Don't worry, Morgan's. He's got enough for you.
I got
are we
you.
ready? I got
I got Goonies.
Pee Wee Herman.
It's Pee Wee Herman.
Oh man, it is. Wow.
I thought Goonies at first, but then I'm like,
Mhm.
oh no, it's got too much bass in it. for a
Too
child.
much bass in your voice. That
It
scares
sounded
white
a
folk.
little bit like Bobcat Goldthwait when I listened to it the second.
From Police Academy. Yeah.
Like a high
I was like, oh, this is a Hail Mary Buzz from Home Alone. But then I'm like, he doesn't laugh like that at all. But I couldn't get him out of my head. So I was like, I'll just throw that one against the wall, see if it sticks. Pee Wee Herman. Good old porn theater Pee Wee Herman.
All Rubens.
All right.
You're doing a thing in a theater.
All right. So this one I put in specifically for my husband.
First step.
He does this stuff all the time. So funny.
Okay. Shout out to Johnny. Oh, I know it.
What?
Oh, easy.
Do that again.
Easy money. Easy money. Are we ready?
Hold on.
3, 2,
All right,
1.
I'm ready. I'm ready.
Go ahead. I got nothing.
Ric Flair.
Ric Flair, yes.
Ric Flair.
Ric Flair.
Ric Flair. See Ric Flair? Can you see it?
Ric
Yeah,
Flair.
Ric Flair.
I got it.
That was that a guess, Morgan, or did you know that?
The second time is when it hit me. I could tell that was a Ric Flair.
Yeah. It tastes so good when it hits your lips.
Are we all tied right now?
What's the
Stemp
score
has,
now?
6, Stemp, Morg 6, Eric 8.
Oh,
Hey,
jeez.
jeez.
We got like 6 minutes to catch up here, Morgan.
We will.
All right.
I feel like we are kind of making our move on him, though.
Slowly.
Yeah, we're going.
I think you'll all get this. All right.
This one helped. That one helped.
Number 18.
That's from something? I mean, other than just like a normal sound effect?
Yeah, it's not just a sound bite. It's from something specific.
I got it. I'm pretty sure I got it.
Play it one more time, then, please. I mean, I've heard that
one.
sound effect a billion times. Morgan knows this one.
I'm gonna look like an asshole.
You're getting all red, Morgan.
Wait, don't put up your hands yet.
Gosh, I can't even conjure a guess.
All right, we're ready. All right, I have
this one. Yeah, go ahead.
If you've ever spent a sick day home in the 90s.
The Price is Right.
Price is Right.
Yeah.
Sick days.
Price is Right. I got it.
Damn you, Bob Barker. The price is wrong, bitch.
Yeah.
All right.
Holy shit, that's Bob Barker.
That was probably one of the best cameos in a movie ever.
Seriously. I don't want a piece. I want the whole damn thing.
All right. Number 19.
Sing a happy song. La 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 la.
You actually could have just stopped with the horns. I had it at the horns. I was like, yeah, got that one.
All right, what do we got? We ready?
Okay.
Smurfs had Care Bears.
It's the Smurfs.
Wait,
like,
Mark, did you say Smurfs and Care Bears?
No, I had the Care Bears.
Oh,
It's the Smurfs.
We're not catching arrogance.
No, we're not. I had the Grinch, and I was like, "Is that Whoville singing happy song?"
La 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 la.
Mark, you never made it down for a Who party, did you? You know what I mean?
No.
Let me tell you what.
Who parties will kill you.
Oh, like, yeah, I've played a Who Party, but
You've played it, but you never did it with us army dudes.
No.
A lot
Bad.
of naked going on.
Oh, well, yeah. That's how a lot of the parties ended up.
It's just a regular Tuesday.
Yeah.
Let me just say you're hoping for a whole costume at that point.
All right, number 20.
All right, next. Can we just say this one out loud real quick?
Yeah, I think this is a gimme.
This is, the more
you know.
Wait, did Martin not know that? Martin is just staring at his face. Martin does not get a point for that.
Oh boy.
Come on, you watched Community, right? I mean, that was like
I couldn't think of it. I knew I knew it. I just
They did it on Scrubs too, didn't they?
Every
They do it on everything.
For a while. Yeah.
more you know.
You got it.
NBC.
Yeah.
All right. This next one's a quick one, but I'm confident.
We know it.
This is 21, right?
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Do we have to write it?
Oh yeah!
Snap it to a Slim Jim.
Snap it to a Slim Jim.
Macho Man Run Savage.
You got it. So I guess everybody gets a point for that.
Oh yeah, brother.
Oh yeah, brother. How does he do? Like my throat hurts now.
Yeah, I know.
What was his wife's name in that?
Elizabeth.
Elizabeth. Oh my gosh, she was so hot. So hot.
Babe.
Oh,
Babe.
Lord almighty.
Wing.
Yeah, right?
All right.
All right. Number 22.
Yep.
I know this one. You know it.
Mhm.
Do it again. Is that War Games?
Is that your answer?
Yeah, I can't think of anything else. I don't know that one.
You ready, Eric?
I am, yeah. Mhm.
It is Simon Says.
Simon, yep. The game.
Simon.
Oh, jeez.
I have Simon right there.
All right.
We actually have that in the car. We got a little miniature one that
Last-
the kids.
What's the score, Meg?
Stemp 8,
Last
Morg,
place.
9, Eric 13.
Jeez, dude. Let's just go for a bonus round of 1,000,000 points for this one.
Everybody, you guys are all playing for second place. It's like
Yeah.
Morgan's
Last one?
on mute.
What? Morgan.
I don't know how that happened. Do we want to do one? We can wager our points, so you can wager as much as you
like-
want.
Double
Ooh.
Jeopardy.
Yeah, do that.
Yeah, let's do
We'll
it.
end it. We'll do one more.
All right.
I got to
All right,
choose
so-
a good one then.
We got to
Oh,
write
no,
down what we're wagering.
Not
Right?
double. Not double. Final Jeopardy.
Yeah.
Duh.
All right. So
Jeopardy theme.
this one's really.
Maybe pick one that's like only Darren knows.
I don't think that's fair, but. Oh, I mean, I have one that I know that you all
All right.
should. Although.
I'm doing my wager.
All right. Yeah.
All right, I gotta make sure this is a good one. Okay, I'm gonna try this one, and if nobody gets it, then I'll do a more obvious one. All right, let's see. Okay.
Oh.
So we have to.
God.
We have to.
Oh,
Is this okay? So
It's like
question on
Final
this one.
Jeopardy.
Is this a specific game or just
Yeah.
a
A generic. I don't know.
You gotta play it again.
Yeah.
Did you just pick the hardest one?
Yeah, like
I didn't think it was terribly hard.
Oh, I know. I think I know what this is. I played shit out of this.
I only have 1 point risked, and then I
he did 1 point risk.
did 1 point, and it's it's pinball is what I've got.
PC pinball.
I have 3D pinball. 3D pinball.
Yeah.
3D pinball.
Yeah,
3D pinball.
I got to give it to Morg on that.
Yes.
Yeah.
How's your laser?
8.
Oh, come on.
Yes.
Man, I used to play the crap out of that game. I can't believe I didn't hear that at first. That first time. It's so funny how you hear it the second time. You're like, oh, duh. That charging up noise.
Yeah.
I knew it was pinball. I just didn't know which one it was. But
I totally forgot it was called 3D pinball.
Yeah.
Way to
Look at that.
Yeah.
take it.
200 points was exciting.
Fine, yeah. Meg Bradbury, what an incredibly fun game that
it was a fun game.
I like that a lot.
That was
Good
some of the most
job.
fun I've had on this show in a long time, and you brought the fun. So thank you for thinking of us and creating this game and coming on. And you know, it's not always the most fun hosting and not getting to play. So thank you for doing that and letting us boys
No, that's perfectly
go to town
fine.
on some fun.
I would have bombed.
Oh man, that was a lot of fun. I would love to hear what the rest of the sounds are.
Yeah.
Send us that link. We'll put that YouTube link
Playlist,
in the show notes. So, or in the description. You
Yeah.
guys can play it in your car with your kids or with your wife or husband because your kids probably won't know shit. But,
well, she's 3, so
yeah. I mean, Joey, she probably surprised everyone and blurt out her first words. 3D pinball.
Yeah, how do you even know?
Anyway, thanks, Meg. That was super fun.
Sure.
Morg, Eric, love you guys.
Yeah.
See you guys. See y'all next week on the Nerd Rundown Presents.
see ya.
Deuces.
Bye.
Bye.